Hey everyone, it's Patricia here, and I've got something really important to share with you today. I'm diving deep into the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, so make sure you stick around until the end, because I'm clearing up any doubts you might have about this product. First things first, be cautious about where you buy the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. The real deal is only on their official website. I've left the link down below in the description, so check it out after this video. So, what's the buzz about this flat belly tonic? Does it really work? Absolutely, guys. It's been put through the ringer with tests. And researchers have found it to have a natural formula with concentrated ingredients 100% natural, to be exact. And because it's all natural, there are no side effects or contradictions. Anyone can give it a go. This tonic is a game changer. It's not just about shedding pounds. It's about taking control of your weight and boosting your metabolism to warp speed. The formula is FDA approved and GMP certified, so quality is top-notch. Now, here's the thing, it's natural, so your body needs time to adapt. Trust the process. People are seeing fantastic results, but it's not an overnight miracle. Everyone's body reacts differently, but the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic will work for you if you stick with it. Here's the cool part, you can test it for a whopping 90 days. If you don't see results or simply don't vibe with it, they'll give you a full refund. But, and this is crucial, you've got to commit to the treatment. Take it seriously, 1 scoop mixed with water at around 10 o'clock a.m. or an hour after a light breakfast every single day. Results start showing within the first month, but the real magic happens around the 3-month mark. It's a journey, so be patient. I wanted to share this with you not just to spill the tea on how it works, but also to emphasize where to get it from their official website, link in the description. I hope you found this video insightful. Go ahead, check out the official website, and thanks a bunch for hanging out with me today. Have an awesome day. Bye!